So in the fifth today we have this cheap TEMU speaker. It's an okay sounding speaker when you talk about highs and midtones. And a fun fact, because the tweeters or the drivers are placed on the outside of the speaker, you do have some stereo separation. The only downside about the speaker is that the rear looks pretty cheap, the packaging looks pretty cheap, and you don't really have to expect long battery life or bass performance. So without further ado, let's just go to a few samples to let you see what I mean.
Gravity can take us under all my legs and try to